Okay, so if you are intending on making some nice scrambled eggs, I'd suggest you get yourself one of these whippers. It saves a lot of moving of forks around and whipping things up. It's got a motorized section, so it does that very well. I use 2 eggs and I've got it in this container. It works well for me. For reason is that it keeps all the consistency nicely. If it's in a flat container, it might work a bit differently. So, and then I'm using organic apple cider vinegar by Safari. Just make sure that it is with mother, gets all the benefit, and then some salt and pepper. So that's the ingredients there, and we are then going to move across and see how we get to make this. Okay. So here we have the 2 eggs here in the bowl. Just going to crack them. So if we have a look there, there's our 2 eggs. A tablespoon of apple cider, and then some salt, and some pepper. And you can put any other spices you want in there. Then look at that. One minute and 30. There we go. Beautiful. Another piece, beautiful texture. The taste is so awesome. I know people laugh at me when I say it doesn't have that egg taste, because it's got a nice apple cider mixture to it. It's really lovely texture, and that's 1.5 minutes in the micro, because I'm using this. If you're using something that's maybe wider, you need to adjust your timing, but something like that. This is the size of this. Okay, this is probably, I don't know, 15 centimeters diameter. Yeah, so that's my nice egg recipe.